Hello there, people of the internet. Welcome back to another reaction video. Before this video begins, be sure to follow me on my socials that are on screen now to keep up to date with any announcements and my latest uploads. If you enjoy spooky, scary videos, scary games, and sometimes a little bit of silly content, then be sure to subscribe as this is the majority of my content. Today, guys, I thought we could be a little bit silly. We've been doing a lot of analog horrors. That last one, I need a palate cleanser. Okay, that last one shook me for sure. Apparently, if you don't know what I'm on about, go check out my latest video. Apparently, the 911 call, I was really scared it was real, but I've been told by numerous people that it's a training tape on how someone should, like, I don't know, handle a situation. And I think the people who listen to that meant to give feedback on what the dispatcher did wrong or something. Well, that's what I'm telling myself anyway. That's what I'm willing to believe, because the alternate is horrible. But yeah, I thought today we'll look at some silly TikToks, more particularly the TikToks that I have liked, because some of these just make me laugh. And I don't know if you noticed, but your boy has got a haircut. Look how smooth I'm looking. No, I'm growing the top again and keeping the sides and back short, but I think this is, look at that. Hey, sexy boy. Okay, this one's fantastic. Children. She loves her children. Yep. Okay.
But my children do not always come first.
Okay. Sorry, this might get better. This might get better. Okay.
Sometimes I get to come first. There's also a person inside of me.
Okay, maybe we should stop. Just stop. Stop talking. When your first language is not English.
Decrease me there. What? No, leave me alone. Leave me. Put me down. Yes, I stay here. Okay.
Decrease me there. That is amazing.
No.
Here we go.
After several years of overeating, tons of soda, and destroying my liver with alcohol, it's time to get back into shape. Just finished taking a shit, and I'm off to the gym for day one. Wish me luck.
It took me two watches to understand what it was. If you didn't get it the first time, watch it the second time.
After several years of overeating, tons of soda, and destroying my liver with alcohol, it's time to get back into shape. Just finished taking a shit, and I'm off to the gym for day one.
Yeah, so it's the fact that he's all sweaty, you think that he's talking about he's already been to the gym, but no, all the sweat was from him taking a shit. Explaining the joke with Baz. I'll be here all day, guys. All night. Oh, yeah. All week. Here we go. I love these Harry Potter memes. These are amazing. I like the... It's stupid.
Oh, throw it.
Harry Potter. The boy who lived. Come die.
That was good.
Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Courtesy of my girlfriend, I am now going to perform for you with a Death Eater's wand, the real Avada Kedavra. What, you put your arms through here like this? Okay. What the fuck? Harry Potter, the boy who lived, come to die. All right, so this next one, guys, is just like a guy with an anime dubbed voice deciding to say the creepiest stuff to someone in a toilet. And with that being said, here it is.
Something smells good in there. What is that? What did you have to eat? That smells amazing. You gotta let me try that.
They all sound like that, don't they, guys? All dubs sound like that. I don't know, man. From what I've watched anyway, they all sound the same. Right. Here we go. This is real, by the way. This is a real tweet.
Hey, that is in the search box.
He searched sex gifts. That's such an old man thing to do. Oh, it's hilarious. Oh, this one, flipping out. It always used to happen, man. Well, not specifically when a teacher's like do an emotional speech. Usually it would be when you're being told off by the teacher and you'd see your friend off in the distance just doing some really shit, and you just really gotta hold it in. Sometimes you didn't, and you ended up getting in more trouble, but it was worth it. Good memories. Right, this one is the most randomest thing ever.
It doesn't mean the beast isn't there. Be careful playing with somebody's kindness.
Getting fucked by Shrek. Listen, I don't want to sound weird right now, but right here, he looks like Robert Downey Jr. in freaking Tropic Thunder.
Mean the beast
I don't know.
isn't there. Be careful playing with somebody's kindness.
Yeah, be careful for sure, because this will end up happening. Elden Ring memes. You know I'm going to put them in there, guys. Game of the year, definitely for me. But well, I'm going to wait until Ragnarok comes out, God of War. But this for sure. This game has done what games haven't done in years, and that is release a full game. No paywalls, no pay to win, nothing. They released the full game. I'm so surprised when I play this game, right? Because I think, right, oh, I'm hitting the end here. And then there's like a whole new map opens up, and I'm like, Jesus Christ. How big is this game? Fantastic. Anyway, here we go. Oh, the disrespect! I mean, to be fair, I wouldn't even be mad, man. I'd be grieving with him. That's amazing. Oh, here we go. Freaking Matt Hancock. Do you guys remember this? People in England remember this guy. I mean, it's not that long ago but this was ridiculous. I mean, it's still the UK government still is. I don't want to get political, but it is a circus right now. But this was when it was at full like freaking mode. Here we go. Here's Matt Hancock.
Just arrived at the station on my way to the manifesto.
Just arrived at the station.
Just arrived at the station on my way to the manifesto launch. I'm really excited about this manifesto. Such a positive, vibrant future vision. And of course, I'm thrilled with the sheer amount of progress for the NHS, the record levels of investment
creepy
for the
fucking
NHS,
man, baby.
the 40 new...
Russell Howard, man. He used to live near me, in the next town over, I think it was. But yeah, he's a good comedian. I haven't watched him in years. This guy owns this sound.
Your little pussy belongs to me. You're gonna learn to do what I fucking tell you to.
It's the violent head shake.
Your little pussy belongs to me. You're gonna learn to do what I fucking tell you to.
Oh my god, man.
But have you seen our new level 4?
Oh no. Let's have a look. That does look good. Oh my god. Oh, Christ! Help! Oh, this is so stupid.
Help me! I'm sinking in this quicksand! Quick, grab a hold of me! Can't you just give me your arm? Oh, in this position, I have the optimal grip and balance, so, grab a hold of me quickly! Okay, just pull me out! I'm trying. Oh.
What are you doing?
Shut up a second.
This is the police! Grab a hold of this rope! Thank you!
Oh. Help me! I'm sinking in this...
Oh, so random.
Thank you!
Oh.
Who is this? What even is this? It's hilarious. This woman, man. What was her name? Professor Sprout in Harry Potter. She is so she can't be censored. She is just herself 100%. And some of the shit she comes out with, I swear to God, this, for some reason, just made me laugh. Just listen.
I can't imagine going inside someone's arsehole. But if that's what turns you on, go for it, darling. Make it work. Spin it round.
Spin it round. I don't know what she's thinking of, but sure thing. Just spin it round, man. Why not? Go for it. Yeah, I remember this. All right, listen.
Bro, I swear to God, he's one shot, bro.
Turn off the game. It is time to go.
Hold on.
No, we have to go for the picnic. Turn it off.
Yeah, I'm coming, bro.
You come here right now, or else I come on you. No, throw off the fucking game before I fuck you in.
Bro, I swear to God.
Oh man.
Oh, little German boy, don't drink that coffee too fast. Oh my God, my butthole and Hershey squirt and poop and shit. Oh, little German boy, don't drink that coffee too fast. Oh my God.
I don't know what's so funny about this stupid, like, because obviously German people don't sound like this, but it's just hilarious. I don't know what it is about this accent.
My butthole and Hershey squirt and poop and shit. Oh, little German.
Hershey squirt and poop and shit.
I took a shit in Japan once that was so bad. The guy in the stall next to me threw up. And Joe, we were in Japan. I thought he was talking to me. He's like, and I'm like, I don't know what you're saying. No Japanese. I took a shit in Japan once that was so bad. The guy in the stall next to me threw up. And Joe.
Oh, it's so random. The thought of it is hilarious. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. These ones are so random, but for some reason they're so funny at the same time. Because it's just how they swap out so quickly. So, you know, like the Mr. Incredible becomes uncanny. They kind of mix the both where he becomes canny and he becomes uncanny. Watch. It just gets so weird. Here we go. And... Oh, I don't know why they're so funny.
Did he just say hell yeah? Did he just say hell yeah?
Why did he turn like that? Oh man, what's this? Why did that happen? Why did that happen? Ugh. It's funny because you know she can't breathe, but she can't help but laugh as well. I've been in that situation before. It's absolutely terrifying.
The light in the bathroom started flickering, and I water running. Whoever's in here needs to leave.
Oh, these are scary ones actually. I was gonna do like a scare talk thing, where like a video where I look at not just like ones that like go out their way to try and scare you, but just the really creepy and unsettling ones. That's the ones that I enjoy watching because they feel real, like these ones. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below for sure, because that would be pretty fun to do.
Aww, Michelle had her baby. Look. Oh, that's so. What's his name? Daniel. Look.
What the fuck?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Oh, God.
Michelle had her baby.
I love it, man. Just doesn't hold back. Oh, man.
Daniel, look.
What the fuck?
Oh, man, what a legend. This one made me laugh. Hang on. So it's a filter that shows, like, reflects one half of the face. I'll skip ahead because it's just when she sits up, it's hilarious.
Face. Oh,
What's
it's
this?
this other side. My side, that side of my face ain't, it ain't dark
She
like that.
sits up. I'm laughing thinking about it. It's so random, man. Why did you do that?
Is this what I gotta be doing to convince y'all I'm straight? I got no choice. Oof! Oof! Is this what I gotta do?
The second one wasn't even a back, man. Back if you like girls.
What you doing to convince y'all I'm straight? I got no choice.
It's funny, like, you know what I found about TikTok is the most simplest TikToks get the most views. Like, just reacting like this, it's got 34.7 million views.
What would you do if that was you?
I don't think this has ever happened to me.
I don't know, this girl, everyone has it, bro.
Look at his face. He goes from normal to just like...
See the bit that stands up most really flat? That's the bit.
Absolutely drained. It's dripping into his eyes. He's drowning in it, man. Oh, that's hilarious. This guy, the only way I can describe his face is the guys from frickin' I Am Legend, the monsters. They've got really big mouths. Look at the way his mouth contorts when he screams, look.
Oh, God! Keep the noise down and take to a seat!
His jaw comes unhinged.
Oh, God!
Oh, man. Oh, Ronnie Coleman. For those wondering where I'll get, yeah, buddy, from, it's Ronnie Coleman. If you hear me say, yeah, buddy, and lightweight afterwards, it's from Ronnie Coleman.
Yeah, yeah, buddy. Lightweight, baby.
He gets it down just right as well. Here we go. We're going to end on another Avada Kedavra, guys. We started on one, we're going to end on one. Here we go.
The boy who lived, come to die.
Look at the, it's such an English response. Fucking hell. The boy who lived, come to die.
The boy who lived, come to die.
Oh, he's such a legend. All right, there we go, guys. I know this video won't do well. Probably not, because it's not like an analog horror or like a found footage thing. But I thought I would spicing up my uploads with a bit of light-hearted fun. We all need a laugh every now and then, and I hope my collection made you laugh. If they did, and you guys want to see more of my like TikToks, I'll compile some more for you guys, and yeah, we'll have a bloody good time. Remember to follow me on my socials that are on screen now, guys, to stay up to date with any announcements and uploads I have. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for the support as lately, guys. Honestly, it's blowing my mind. At any point, I'm expecting it to be like, okay, go back down now kind of thing. I didn't expect this kind of support. You know, I think we've gone up to 5.3k subscribers in the last 28 days now, which is freaking amazing. Really cool, and I really do appreciate it, guys. And you know, I'm just a guy watching videos, but as long as I can entertain you guys, or you know, just make you feel less lonely if you're feeling alone, then hey, it's all good with me. But there we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.